Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna do some lobster. So we have some seasoned lobster there. We have it lying around in the fridge for a while, so we're gonna use it up, and we have some salt and pepper here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the lobster in bite size.
Yes, guys, bite size like when you're doing popcorn chicken, but it's not chicken, it's lobster, right? And drop it down below if you know what we're going to do today. Not after you look on the title, but just randomly off the top of your head what you think it was.
Yeah, we're gonna leave this. If you want to comment that in the comment section. Alright, this ready. So we're gonna add it back to the plate. Now we're gonna remove the cutting board and get on with the seasoning of the plate.
Transition with the man.
Alright, so we're gonna add some salt and pepper, just a little. Because remember, we have already seasoned the lobster. Just enough. Give it a toss.
Get it mixed evenly.
Now, what we're gonna trick for today, we're gonna use ice water. So we're gonna get an next pan here.
Next pan here, and we're coming in with that ice water, and this gives you a nice crunch, guys. If you haven't tried it, do so.
That's about it.
So here's how we're going to do it. So lobster meat, seasoned flour, ice water, back into the seasoned flour, right?
Alright, so we're gonna start the breading.
Step 1, seasoned flour, toss, 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 toss this, mix, mix, mix. Yes, guys, get it evenly breaded, right? Shake off the excess flour. That's it.
Ice water.
Into that ice water. Coming along again. Shake off the excess.
And bear in mind, we have the oil in the back.
Eating up, guys. So we're just going to do one go, right? Shake off the excess flour. Right? In again. Get it all up in there. Drain in again. Drain in. Drain in again. Final toss. Toss, 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 toss. Mix, mix, mix. And when you mix it, you want to give it a nice little press so that when you fry, it's nice and flaky, crunchy, and flavorful.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go over to the hot plates of forward.
Oil, right? Yes, guys, we have our oil eating up, coming to a roaring bubble.
So and bear in mind, we have got some sesame oil.
Yes, guys. In. Fry until golden brown. That's the aim. Shake off the excess flour in that oil. Yes, guys. And leave it down below what accompaniment you would serve this with. Let us know down below in that comment section. And that is it. All in, as I said, fry until golden brown. Guys, so it's time for that turn. Remember, the aim is golden brown. Nice and golden.
Just follow the steps as we go along.
Yes, guys, if you have your deep fryer, you can deep fry it. If you have an air fryer, you can air fry it just the same, right? But we're using our pot on the whole top, right?
Look at that, beautiful.
Nice and golden. Next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time. Run over to our TikTok, that's Cooking with the Reid. We have a whole lot coming over there for you guys, so stay forward. Removal time, so we're going to remove these, as we say, nice and golden, right? So we're going to place this in a bowl with paper towel to drain the excess oil. As I say, you leave it down in the comment section yet what accompaniment you will have this with. Just let us know that in that comment section down below. Everything. And this is how we do. So let's get ready for the plating. Let's go. But before we go, look at this. Nice and golden. Right, that's beautiful. Now let's go. Guys, look at that. You know how we do things, or raisin mash or lobster. Remember guys, follow our Instagram. We post platings, not platings, sorry, we post photos over there. Look at that guys. Tell me what you think in that comment section down below. Yes, beautiful. Remember, follow our business page, that's Globalist Interactions JA. We have the bomb sauces. Remember, follow our TikTok as well. The event is August the 26th, so ensure you're out in your numbers supporting. Gang gang gang. Yes guys. Some of that Globalist Interactions JA pineapple sauce, and that's it. That's the vibe. You feel that vibe? Vibration right there. That's the vibe. Remember, follow our Instagram, pictures will be posted over there. Follow us on TikTok, we have a lot of content over there. So until next time,
Bye foodies. Bang, bang, boom.
remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?